Right, so we have already waited for 5 minutes. We can start with a new topic. Any doubts, guys? I'll quickly go through the topics which we covered last time and questions based on that. So these are the questions. Uh, Quickly, you can answer. Anyone can answer random. What is a VNet and what is a subnet? Sunil, Prabhat, I see you guys have unmuted yourself, but I can't speak. I can't hear you guys. Sorry. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I thought you guys are answering. So what is a VNet? What is a subnet? Didn't get answer. Let's proceed. You guys have to read guys about it for sure. I'm sure by now you guys know what is a VNet, at least full form. What is a subnet? इसमें कुछ नहीं बताना है आपको, बस यही बताना VNet is a virtual network. It is a space which you occupy on cloud, on any cloud. But when we are talking specifically about VNet, so it's Azure. AWS पे होता तो हम उसको VPC बोलते हैं, GCP पे होता कुछ और बोलते हैं. So when we specifically saying virtual network VNet, so it's on Azure. Subnet, it's nothing but it is a part or a sub part of VNet. Right? Can we create a VM without VNet or subnet?
Yes.
No, we cannot. Whoever answered yes, please go ahead and try to create one, and you will be able to see that you are not able to create one. Right? Either it will create one for you new, or it will use an existing, but you cannot create a machine or any resource for that without VNet and without subnet. When you create a machine, go to the networking segment and check. If you have not done that, your process is doing it automatically for you, but you cannot create one. What is VNet peering, guys?
Global and
Those are types. Yeah, what is the next type, Hanif? Global and
local.
Local.
what is global and local, Hanif?
Global means if we are pairing our machine with the other subscription, uh, like not ours.
No. Incorrect. Anyone else
Okay.
would like to correct him quickly?
So when you are, yes. So in a global, basically, that you can connect.
One by one.
Guys, one at a time. Yeah, Prabhat, please proceed.
Global peering is where we pair two virtual networks which are located in two different regions, whereas local peering is when we connect two virtual networks located in the same region.
Is it clear, Hanif bhai? It has nothing to
Yes,
do with
yes.
subscription. ठीक है, it has nothing to do,
Okay.
even
Yeah.
if they are in two different subscription, और अगर VNet peering हो रही है, then if they both are in East US या किसी भी same region में, it is called local pairing. If they are in different region, East US, India, East US, West US, etc., East US, East US 2, still different region, it is called global VNet pairing. What is VNet pairing, by the way? Global, local तो हमने कर लिया. What is VNet pairing? Anyone who was trying to answer that with Prabhat? Someone else was trying. Razak, was that you?
Yes.
Yes, Razak
Yes.
bhai.
So in virtual network peering, basically that to pair two or many devices to pair the two or more networks together, so they can share, receive, or talk to each other resources.
Why should I
That
pair?
is
But why
why
should I do the pairing? What if I don't do the pairing?
so
What is the difference between pairing and not pairing?
so once our devices peer to each other, they can share information, receive information, or to make so we are connecting a network. We are basically connecting the resources to each other or network to each other,
Okay,
so
got
they
it.
can share and receive the information.
Got it, Razak bhai.
Oh,
So two quick feedback in this one. Do not ever say devices. We are not doing net pairing between the devices. These are virtual networks. Rest answer is correct. But इसके पहले
yes.
थोड़ा सा add कर देना. The default nature of VNet is they cannot communicate with each other. And if there is a business need that you want two virtual networks to communicate with each other or share the resources with each other, then you have to go with VNet pairing.
VNet
Okay.
pairing.
I think this already answered the next वाला question. अपने आप answer हो गया. Can resources in same VNet? No, it's a different question. Can resources in the same VNet talk to each other by default?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can resources in the same subnet talk to each other by default?
Yes.
Can
Yes.
resources in the different subnet talk to each other by default?
No.
If that subnet
No.
is
For
within
that
the
we
same
can.
VNet,
Yes.
then they can connect to each other.
Sorry, what was that? Question is,
If
can
the two
resources in the different subnets under one VNet, obviously it is implied, different subnets
then they
under
can
one.
talk to each other.
Yes. Got it, guys? If they are in VNet, same VNet, but different subnets, then they can talk to each other. Right? Can we do the VNet pairing of VNets in different region and if different subscription? So answer is yes, and that is called global pairing. What other steps will you follow to troubleshoot if Windows VMs in pairing VNet are not talking to each other, or they are not able to ping?
Take the
So
firewall
at that
settings.
moment, yes.
Check the status of the
Port firewall, दो ही चीज है, simple.
Port firewall.
At the OS
So
level.
GUI say there are two methods. One is with the command and other is with the GUI, where we need to find out the firewalls and turn it off.
ये हुआ आपका विंडोज लेवल की ट्रबल शूटिंग मैंने पूछी, ठीक है? ये एक पोर्टल
हाँ.
पे जाते हो, देन आप कनेक्शन वगैरह चेक करोगे, देन जो भी प्रोसेस है पूरा उसको फिर से एक बार रिपीट कर देना कि आई विल चेक वेदर कहीं आईपी ओवरलैप तो नहीं हो रहा, ये सब तो नहीं हो रहा. आईपी ओवरलैप होगा तो बाय द वे पेयरिंग होगी ही नहीं. Okay, we have total
हाँ.
number of IPs 4096 in one VNet which has 3 subnets. How many usable IPs will we get in each subnet? तो ये कैलकुलेशन वाला आंसर है, खुद कर लेना, अभी टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास. ठीक है? Explain the Azure reserved IP. This I did not cover, so I'm removing it. ठीक है guys? This question एक बार कर लो, इसको आपको एक अच्छा सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाएगा. Not now, but do it later. You should have done it already. ये क्वेश्चन मैंने लास्ट वीक भेजे थे. ठीक है? So let's get started. Today we are going to cover VPN. The core topic for today is VPN. Shahrukh says he will not be able to do it, so I need one volunteer, guys. Ghazala, will you
I'm
be able
ready
to do
for
it?
that.
Sorry, who was that?
Razak here.
Okay, fine. We'll do it with you, Razak. Okay, so
Okay.
what are we going to do today? Today's practical is connecting two VNets, which we have already done. But using which method did we do it? How did we connect two VNets, guys?
With pairing.
VNet pairing. But today we are going to connect two VNets using VPN. Why VPN? Why would we require VPN? Why not VNet pairing? Differences. VNet pairing has a limitation. What limitation? Total number of 500 VNet pairings can be done. मतलब मैंने VNet A को B से जोड़ दिया, A को C से जोड़ दिया, A को D से जोड़ दिया, इस तरह से I can in total I can do only 500. अभी सुनने में बहुत बड़ा नंबर लग रहा है, प्रोडक्शन एनवायरनमेंट में ये छोटा पड़ जाता है, ट्रस्ट मी. इतने सारे नेटवर्क्स होते हैं, you will realize कि 500 कम है. Hence, you can connect two VNets using VNet pairing or VPN as well. That we are going to do today. That could be the first thing where we are using VPN. Next option, we have two VNets, but they are in different VNets in different tenant, subscription, whatever you want to call it. Normally you would call it tenant. Tenant as in हमने already देखा है. What is it? Your company, the space which you have taken on the space, your Active Directory. In short, right? They are in two different companies. तब आप क्या use करोगे then? VPN. Next use of VPN, you want to connect VNet with VPC. VPC कहाँ पर है मैंने बताया? When I say VPC, कहाँ पर होगा VPC network? Virtual Private Cloud किसमें? It is on Amazon, which is AWS, Amazon Web Services, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform. दोनों पे VPC ही बोलते हैं वो लोग उसको. Azure calls it VNet. So when you want to connect VNet and VPC or VPC, which is on AWS or GCP, again, what are you going to use? VPN. Now, last scenario, VNet. What could be the last scenario? क्या क्या connectivity करते हैं हम लोग इतने दिन से पढ़ रहे हैं? What do you think? What could be the next scenario? VNet से VNet pairing हो गया, different VNet हो गया, दूसरा cloud हो गया. What else is, guys? What else could be the scenario?
On-premise.
Sorry, what is that?
On
On-prem, right?
On-premise से
On-prem.
connect
Yes,
करते हैं।
very common scenario. On-prem. सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन यही आएगा आपको, बिकॉज nowadays जो AWS पे चला गया है, they do it, they keep their resources on AWS, GCP and Azure also, but बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्टिविटी का रिक्वायरमेंट आता नहीं है, और कनेक्टिविटी आई टोल्ड यू डेली होने वाला काम नहीं है, कभी कभार होता है, इनिशियली 1 टाइम्स 2 टाइम्स, बस उससे ज्यादा नहीं। VNet बनाना भी बार बार नहीं होता है, ठीक है, बट मैक्सिमम टाइम यू विल सी ऑन प्रिम से Azure की कनेक्टिविटी, you will always see this request, हर बार होता है। why? because on prem पे 50,000 servers पड़े हैं, on prem पे भी approximately 200-300 networks पड़े हैं, so they have not connected all the network initially। 50,000 servers, 300 networks। I started moving to cloud, मैंने cloud पे account वगैरह बना लिया, but initially 50,000 में से मैंने सिर्फ 5,000 move किए अब तक, और उसमें मुश्किल से कोई 10 networks move किए। Remaining 45,000 servers and remaining 290 networks, they are still not connected with your Azure। एक ही बार में सब कुछ कनेक्ट करके नहीं रखता है क्लाइंट। आर यू गेटिंग इट गाइस? तो ये रिक्वेस्ट कई बार फ्रिक्वेंटली आती है कि ओके नाउ दिस टाइम दिस एप्लीकेशन वी आर मूविंग, इस एप्लीकेशन का नेटवर्क भी अलग है, इस एप्लीकेशन के सर्वर्स भी अलग है, और इसका अभी तक Azure पे कोई कनेक्टिविटी भी नहीं है। सो दैट टाइम यू हैव टू डू VNet पेयरिंग with on-prem, and sorry, not VNet pairing, VNet connectivity with on-prem, and the method which you are going to use is VPN, and this is not the only method we have for on-prem। Only for on-prem we have VNet, VPN, and anyone knows what is the next service we have? Anyone heard of? In Azure?
Express route.
Express route, perfect। But we are not going to learn express route। You should know differences भी पूछते हैं, mostly हर इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया है what are the differences between express route and VPN। I'll teach you that, but express route का practical ऐसा है जो हम कर नहीं सकते, ठीक है। So this is what we are going to do now here to connect the VPN, the components which we required, one of the components is a virtual network gateway, and this virtual network gateway, it takes 20 minutes to deploy, right? It takes 20 minutes to deploy। So what am I going to do now? I will be explaining it to you very quickly in brief, then I'll start creating it, and then we'll get those 20 minutes with us, right? And in those 20 minutes I will explain it again, right? So before that, though it is not a part of Azure, but just to clear your understanding, I will be talking about few concepts here, LAN, WAN, and here it is, LAN। Anyone knows what is LAN? Networking के basic
Local area
concepts हैं।
network.
Local area network। Any example of local area network?
Your home network.
Home, what else?
A
Then
small office
Cool.
network wherein we have
Small
connected
office
Home,
network.
office, could be anything, बैंक, आपका ऑफिस, ठीक है, कुछ भी, it could be anything। Now what is WAN?
Wild area network.
Sorry, what is it?
wide area network.
Yes, WAN is your wide area network। Example, simple एक ही example है इसका।
Campuses.
Internal.
Universities. Campuses.
no, campus, university,
campuses.
no, सब कुछ इसमें आ जाएगा, campus, university,
Uh,
etc,
city,
सब
your city.
कुछ आपका, no, city के लिए एक अलग से ये होता है MAN, मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क, बट वो अल्टीमेटली वो LAN की ही कैटेगरी में समझ लेना। अगर मेरे 2 ऑफिस है, एक पुणे में एक मुंबई में, स्टिल इन समहाउ इट इज इन LAN, बिकॉज हम इतने बेसिक्स नहीं पढ़ रहे, इसलिए आई एम नॉट कंसीडरिंग। फाइन। लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन देम, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? यहाँ पर कौन से
Country.
आईपीस होते हैं? सॉरी, व्हाट इज दैट?
Countries. Country to country.
क्या यूज होगा? व्हाट डू यू थिंक कंट्री टू कंट्री में क्या यूज होता है?
Internet is
Internet is.
Private
Then-
IP.
If it is internet, then it is fine. But we'll come to that. इतना simple नहीं है वो, directly पूरा internet पे नहीं हो रहा है। We will come to this. This question: which IPs are being used here? Which
Private.
type of IP?
Private IP.
Private IP. Perfect. Which IPs are being used here? Type of IP. I'm not
Public
talking about
IP.
the range,
Public
Public
etc.
IP. Public IP.
Public IP. इतना clear है दोनों? Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, in this one, under WAN, let's say there's a company one, Tsoft. Tsoft is a company. It's using WAN for one of the services, one of the servers, server 1, they are using one public IP. Public IP, they are using one public IP. Let's say it is. Can someone tell me one public IP?
192.168.0.1.
Yes. Is it a public IP, guys?
ये private हो गया 168 आ गया
No, ये private है. Sorry,
192.0.0.0.
ठीक है, बट 0.0 यूज नहीं होगा कभी, ठीक है, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो 0 जो है किसके लिए रिजर्व है?
Reserve.
किसके लिए रिजर्व? यस गाइस,
Network
0 is
के-
reserved for what? नेटवर्किंग गाइस.
First for
इट्स
reserve.
नॉट Azure. यस, 0 हमेशा नेटवर्किंग के लिए रिजर्व है और 255 हमेशा ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के लिए रिजर्व है. ठीक है, नॉट ओनली इन Azure, हर नेटवर्क में. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग. दो ऐसा कभी आईपी एड्रेस आपको देखने नहीं मिलेगा 0 वाला, बट ओके, लेट्स टेक दिस. नाउ देयर इज अनदर कंपनी, UT Cloud. ठीक है, इट्स समवेयर एल्स. लेट्स से Tsoft जो है समवेयर इन मुंबई, UT Cloud समवेयर इन पुणे, और मे बी कहीं पर और किसी और कंट्री में. आई एम यूजिंग माय अनदर सर्वर 1 and I am also using public IP. Can I use this IP?
Yes.
No, I cannot. Public IP, guys, cannot be repeated no matter where it is being used. हम इतने से छोटे से ट्रेनिंग सेशन में भी अगर हमने एक पब्लिक आईपी यूज कर लिया है ना, सो इवन गूगल कैन नॉट यूज दैट पब्लिक आईपी. जितनी देर के लिए हमने उसको ब्लॉक कर रखा है वो ब्लॉक्ड है. इट कैन नॉट बी रिपीटेड. क्लियर है?
Yes.
नाउ सेम कंपनी, एवरीथिंग सेम, बट आई एम यूजिंग, व्हाट इज दिस? यस गाइस, व्हाट इज दिस? लैन क्या होता है?
Local area net.
राइट. नाउ गिव मी अ प्राइवेट आईपी का रेंज बताओ एक कोई भी.
10.0.0.101.
रेंज पूछते हैं तो फिर 0 इस पे खत्म हो गया. ये आपका रेंज हो गया पूरा 10 का जो है ना, ये पूरा रेंज प्राइवेट आईपी का ही है. ठीक है, एनीवन वांट्स टू
Okay.
टेल मी द रेंज ऑफ क्लास बी? क्लास बी का रेंज. ओके, फर्स्ट माय क्वेश्चन, कैन आई यूज दिस? मैं कोई कनेक्टिविटी की कोई बात नहीं कर रहा हूं. दो कंपनीज है, दो दे डोंट इवन नो ईच अदर्स एग्जिस्टेंस. कैन वी हैव दिस सेटअप? इज दिस टेक्निकली पॉसिबल?
Yes.
No.
यस गाइस, यस, नो?
Probably yes.
No.
Probably.
Yes, it is a private IP.
Yes.
ऑफ कोर्स यस, वी कैन, व्हाई नॉट? आपने कितनी बार 10 का यूज किया, मैंने कितनी बार 10 का यूज किया, राइट? आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर यूजिंग, यू डोंट नो व्हाट एम आई यूजिंग. अगर ये रिपीट नहीं हो पाता तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं होता कि इतना सारा हम ये करें. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क गाइस. दिस इज अ लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. ये जो कुछ है, वॉट एवर इट इज बिटवीन माई लोकल एरिया. एक्सटर्नल वाले को कुछ नहीं पता है कि व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, कि मैंने कौन सा रेंज यूज कर रखा है. गॉट इट गाइस? इज दिस क्लियर टिल हियर?
Yes. Yes.
Now, one question. Can LAN networks speak to WAN network directly? Now, this server, let's say I'm server A wants to talk to server 1. Is it possible? Directly. I'm not talking about any method वगैरह, अभी फिलहाल कुछ नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ. This server A wants to talk to server 1. Is it possible? Ping
It
करना
will
है,
if
कुछ भी करना है.
that is. It will if that is connected to the internet.
Which one is
No.
connected to the internet?
The server one is already connected to the internet.
What about server A? Is it connected to
So
internet?
No.
no.
Then how
at
the communication will work?
It will not.
both yes, it
It
will.
It won't. Okay, I'm talking about the basic. जो सामने है उस पे आंसर. कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मांग रहा हूँ. जो सामने आपके सिनेरियो दिया है, जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन है, based on this, I just need answers from you.
Okay.
Server 1 wants to speak to server 2. Possible?
Yes.
No.
Is it possible? Server 1 wants to speak to server 2.
Yes,
Yes,
both
they
are
both are
connected.
in public network
They
already.
both are in public.
किसी VNet pairing, किसी VPN कुछ जरूरत नहीं. They are already in public
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 internet.
network. Yeah, public IP. इसीलिए yesterday when if I told you that you tried pinging using your public IP, तो public IP से
IP.
आपने अगर try किया तो आपकी VNet pairing हुई या नहीं हुई है, I cannot tell you because public IPs तो वैसे ही आपस में बात करते हैं. These two networks without doing anything, ठीक है? Even if you forget overlapping of the IP, even if you ignore this, can these two IPs, these two networks communicate with each other without doing anything? जो है सामने बस इतना ही है. ये isolation में कहीं पड़ा है, ये isolation में कहीं पड़ा है. Can we do that?
No.
No.
Of course
No.
no. Right?
No.
Clear है यहाँ तक? One thumb rule, guys.
Yes.
One thumb rule. Public IP cannot speak, communicate, ping, transfer the data, whatever you want to call it. I'm just, for your better understanding, I'm writing it speak. Okay. Public IP cannot speak to a private IP ever. No matter what situation, कुछ भी कर लो आप, it cannot ever do that. Clear है यहाँ तक? ये concept clear है? Public IPs, they cannot speak to private IPs. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
So even if I do the VNet pairing between these two, and if I directly ping यहाँ से यहाँ पर, तो वो ping नहीं होगा. ठीक है? इसके लिए एक concept होता है NAT. NAT is your network address translation. Okay? Network address translation. This is the method which we have. Okay? Now, what is it? Network address translation is it translates your IP address from private to public. Got it? How it does that? Can anyone give me the example? Yes, guys. Can
Actually,
anyone
it's
give me an
converting.
example? You have been using it. I just need the example. You all of you are using it, I'm sure.
Router.
Perfect. अगर अभी आप अपने राउटर से कनेक्टेड हो, राइट? राउटर से अगर अभी आप अपने अपने लैपटॉप का, मोबाइल का आईपी एड्रेस देखोगे, यू विल फाइंड इट इन कौन से इसमें दिखेगा आपको?
Public.
टाइप पे? नो.
Public.
क्यों दिखेगा पब्लिक?
वो
ऑन
convert करता
अगर
है
पब्लिक दिख
private
रहा है
को.
ऑलरेडी, आपके लैपटॉप पे पब्लिक दिख रहा है, देन व्हाई डू यू नीड अ राउटर? अगर आपके
No,
लैपटॉप पे
router is
ऑलरेडी
converting it
नहीं,
na.
on your devices, which IP will you see? Type private or public?
Private.
आपके अगर राउटर से 5 लैपटॉप कनेक्टेड है, 2 मोबाइल, एक टीवी, whatever it is, आपको सब पे प्राइवेट आईपी दिखेगा, राइट? एंड द सर्विसेज व्हिच यू आर यूजिंग फ्रॉम योर लैपटॉप, गूगल, फेसबुक, यूट्यूब, नेटफ्लिक्स, amazon, what do you think, what kind of IPs they have? Do they have private IP or
Public
public IP?
IP. They
Then
have public
how are
IP
you communicating then?
with the help of internet. So router is connecting us
Yes, your
to
now
the
router में जो है ना, there are two faces, right? Two faces are there, two interface it is called. उसमें दो ये होते हैं. So it is taking request from your private details, and at the time of going out, आपके router पे एक ही public IP होगा. उस public IP से सारी request जा रही है. This is how you guys communicate with the other way where there is a public IP. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now these two IPs want to talk. ठीक है, these two networks they want to talk. अब ये जो है, these are not in Azure वगैरह में नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है? VNet pairing वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, बेसिक लोकल नेटवर्क है. These two want to communicate. इसके कम्युनिकेशन के लिए क्या होगा? यहाँ पर एक राउटर लगेगा. Let me pick up a pen. Somewhere here you will have a router on your local area network. Somewhere here you will have a router, right? Why? Because ये दोनों डायरेक्टली बात नहीं कर सकते अलग अलग नेटवर्क में. So what will happen? All your requests are coming to this. ये 10 की रेंज में जितने भी IPs है ना, ये सारी रिक्वेस्ट कहां पर जाएगी? आपके राउटर पे जाएगी, ठीक है? और यहां से भी सारी रिक्वेस्ट यहां पर जाएगी. एंड देन इनकमिंग एंड आउटगोइंग बोथ विल हैपन हियर, यहां से. इज दिस क्लियर, गाइस?
Yes.
So when someone from this PC says I want to utilize google.com, यहाँ से रिक्वेस्ट जाएगा, यहाँ से जाएगा सीधा google.com के पास पब्लिक आईपी के थ्रू. google.com will know, ठीक है मेरे पास रिक्वेस्ट आ गया XYZ. google.com will reply. राउटर नोज के रिक्वेस्ट किससे आया था, तो राउटर उसी को रिप्लाई करेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि नेटवर्क में 50 सर्वर से तो किसी को रिप्लाई कर देगा. रिक्वेस्ट जहां से आया था ये ट्रांसलेशन में उतना प्रॉपर वर्क होता है. इज दिस क्लियर? सिमिलरली इन टू नेटवर्क्स ये रिक्वेस्ट अगर यहां से आया है, if this request has come from here and it is meant for this server or this person, so यहाँ से यहाँ पर आएगा, public IP में convert होगा, यहाँ पर आएगा, this router will know it has come for this and this server will fulfill the request. Example, picture copy करना है मुझको, that is a request. It will go here again, convert it and यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा. Is this clear guys? How it works, how two networks will communicate with each other?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is this called? ये जो बीच में हो रहा है ये क्या है?
Netting.
नो नेटिंग तो राउटर पे होगी ना, नेटिंग आपके राउटर पे होगी. दोनों राउटर के बीच में जो डेटा फ्लो हो रहा है, व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज ओवर द इंटरनेट. बट इमेजिन, कैन यू कीप इट सिंपली ऐसे ही खुला छोड़ सकते हो क्या आप इंटरनेट पे विदाउट एनी इंक्रिप्शन, विदाउट एनी? इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर एनी हैकर कि ये पैकेट्स को ट्रेस कर लो, ये पैकेट्स को हैक कर लो, इसमें यूजर आईडी, पासवर्ड, पिक्चर्स वगैरह सब कुछ बीच में चुरा लो. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट डू यू नीड? यू रिक्वायर्ड अ टनल, a VPN, virtual private network. Though it is on internet, but what am I doing? इसको मैं virtually एक tunnel बनाता हूँ, which is called virtual private network. So any hacker, any other person who doesn't have the access, they will not be able to hack, or they will not be able to do anything in this one. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
guys, clear है यहाँ तक? You guys are also using, when you are working from home, जब आप लोग work from home कर रहे हो, how do you connect to your office network?
VPN.
Yes. Which are the softwares are you using? Can you name few of them?
Forti-Client.
Zscaler, Forti-Client,
Zscaler है,
Cisco.
SVO.
Cisco AnyConnect सबसे famous है. Maximum people will be using Cisco AnyConnect, right? So is this clear? What is VPN वगैरह यहाँ तक clear है guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to connect two networks, right? Which are in different tenants. And first thing I will try to do is connect two VNets using VPN. ये पहले बताता हूँ, ठीक है? Then ये वाला करेंगे. This one we can do. मेरे पास AWS JCP है. If you want we can do it. But इतने सारे करने की प्रैक्टिस जरूरत नहीं है. I think अगर हम ये कर ले और ये कर ले, your understanding should be clear. उसके बाद आपको नहीं लगता है, if you think आप लोगों को GCP देखना है, I'll show it to you. वैसे भी आप लोग नहीं देख पाओगे, what am I doing at my end? तो it doesn't make कोई खास सेंस बनता नहीं है. But still we'll take that call. As of now I am doing this. ठीक है? इसमें I do not need any help, any volunteer. But in this one I want one of you to create the practical with me. One thing in this one guys, though उसका workaround होता है, but straight and simple question, what if my IPs are overlapping? ये कंपनी है Tsoft, UT Cloud है. UT Cloud is taking over Tsoft. अब UT Cloud already had their network on this range. ठीक है? इसी रेंज पे ऑलरेडी नेटवर्क था इनका. Tsoft का भी नेटवर्क इसी रेंज पे था. Because they never had control, उनके नेटवर्क पे UT Cloud का कंट्रोल कभी नहीं था, right? And they cannot demand them कि आप अपना पूरा नेटवर्क चेंज करो, not possible. तो ये कनेक्टिविटी जो है बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होती है. हाउ टू डू इट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सी नाउ. विल सी, अगर टाइम बचता है तो मैं बताऊंगा, अदरवाइज नहीं. वी आर नॉट गेटिंग इनटू दिस. सो नाउ व्हाटएवर प्रैक्टिकल वी आर डूइंग विल मेक श्योर दैट वी हैव डिफरेंट आईपी एड्रेसेस और डिफरेंट रेंज. और नॉर्मली जब क्लाउड पे भी हम बनाते हैं, ठीक है, लेट्स से ऑन प्रेम पे ऑलरेडी ये है, सो वी मेक श्योर, आर्किटेक्ट टीम मेक श्योर, वो मेक श्योर करते हैं कि क्लाउड पे ये रेंज को हम रिपीट ना करें, अदरवाइज आईपी का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. गॉट इट गाइस? इज दिस क्लियर? But it is not an impossible task. Okay, don't interview में कभी मत बोलना कि this is impossible, because think about the real time. Company A अब recent जो है Broadcom ने VMware को टेक ओवर कर दिया, ठीक है? Now do you think कि इसके पहले Broadcom का कोई say होगा VMware को बताने में कि यार आप अपना नेटवर्क ऐसा यूज करो मत करो? No, they didn't even know about each other कि ये कौन सा नेटवर्क यूज कर रहा है, ये कौन सा यूज कर रहा है. So high probability is there that they were using the same, और Broadcom भी same यूज कर रहा है. right? So solutions are there, but वो बहुत लंबा चौड़ा practically we are going to do that later, not today's topic. So make sure whoever is doing the practical with me, if you want to take with a simple range, you go ahead with the 10, I will go ahead with some other range, but this has to be different. हम दोनों के same range हो गए तो वो हमारा practical पूरा नहीं हो पाएगा. Is this clear guys to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me quickly create. Who is doing it? Razak, you are doing it, right?
Yes.
I hope we both are. Yes, I can take the different one. Let me quickly check the subscription details. Whose subscription are you in, Razak bhai?
Just a moment.
Mm. Are you logged in, Razak bhai? Are you logged in?
Ashfaq.
You are in
subscription.
Ashfaq's subscription, right? So I will pick Shahruk's subscription. I am creating my details here, or maybe I'll just go ahead with my own subscription. You pick yours. Okay, you can do that. Guys, we have 4 minutes left, so let's not start that now. We'll do that later in next session. Meanwhile, let me quickly show you something. Whenever you guys are creating something, please make sure you delete it. Shahrukh's subscription has been exploited already. I think hardly 5,000 rupees are pending, right? Which is not even good enough, the practicals which we have to do. Now look at this. My subscription, I had given access to some people, not naming anyone here. Let me show it to you what has happened here. Luckily, I have 3 tenants, luckily, right? So I am left with something to show you the practical. Otherwise, मेरा खुद का भी जो है पूरा खत्म हो गया. Look at this. It got disabled. Why it got disabled? It got I get as a trainer, I get 7,000 per month, right? So to few of you, I had given access. जिनको कुछ और practice वगैरह करनी थी, I had given access, but DDoS and firewall and RSV, recovery service vault. These are very heavy resources, guys. बहुत ही ज़्यादा heavy resources है. So it got disabled already. Now, if I want to reactivate, I'll have to make some remove the spending limit, and to remove the spending limit, I'll have to make some payment for this, right? This is what happened with my one subscription. I'll show you another one. Same thing would have been happened with Shahrukh subscription. On luckily on time we checked that, and he deleted all the resources, etc. But please make sure, guys, whenever you are creating something, I told you take the screenshot, delete everything. Unless I'm asking you to keep it, delete it. When I ask you to keep it, I make sure I check and I delete it. Otherwise, I won't even come to know. Look at this. Same thing happened in my second subscription. Look at the cost. I get 7,000. This is the cost. Now I'll have to pay this to get my subscription back. And obviously I cannot give up on this one. If I show you the cost analysis. So in cloud, guys, it is very, very crucial. If you do this with client, trust me, you'll have your termination letter on very next day. You'll have your termination letter with you. Look at this. Azure DDoS, 14,000 rupees it has costed. VPN gateway, 3,500 rupees it has costed. So today we are going to do a practical of VPN gateway. I do not want any one of you with laziness कि यार मैं VPN gateway बना देता हूँ, and then I'll have my lunch, I'll have my bath, मैं बाहर जाकर आता हूँ, कॉफी पीकर आता हूँ, चाय पीकर आता हूँ, and then I'll do the practical. Please don't do that, guys. पूरा आपका subscription का पैसा जो है खत्म हो जाएगा, and you won't have anything to practice. If you are sitting for the practical, 1 घंटा लो साइड में, and then you do the practical, उसके बाद delete कर दो. नहीं हो रहा है, still delete it. ठीक है? VNet gateway बहुत ज्यादा resources and पैसा consume करता है. We have only 1 minute left. I am stopping the session. We'll join the session without any break. I will be doing first. I'll be doing this practical. इसके लिए मुझको चाहिए 2 VNet, 2 VPN gateway. I'll be creating, but with me, Razak bhai, you also start creating yours. Though I'm not connecting with
Sure.
yours now. आपके साथ में इस वाले में connect करूंगा, maybe third session. But you create and keep it with me.
Okay.
Right? So let me
Sure.
stop the session, guys. See you with the same link without any break. Login कर लो जब तक रजाक भाई आप.